Have you been seeing these anime cooking videos all over your feed and wondering, how are people actually making these? Well, the crazy part is, you don't need to be an animator, a professional chef, or even know how to draw. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own viral anime cooking videos, up to 30 seconds long in under 5 minutes using AI, from the characters and food to the animation and final edit, all for free. First, you'll want to grab the master prompt that I've prepared for this workflow. I'll leave the link to it in the description below so you can easily access it and follow along. Once you have the prompt open, copy the entire master prompt exactly as it is. Don't leave anything out, because this prompt is what's going to guide the AI through the whole creative process. Now, head over to ChatGPT and paste the complete prompt into the chat box, then hit send. After you send it, ChatGPT will guide you through the first step by asking you to choose your character. You can select male, female, or even upload your own reference character image if you already have a specific character in mind. For this tutorial, I'm going with female, so I'll simply type that in and hit send. And this is where things start getting interesting. ChatGPT will generate a complete character concept for you, including her name, appearance, personality details, and overall visual direction, and then it'll give you 10 different cooking or dish ideas you can choose from. You're not limited to the options it gives you either. Pick whichever dish sounds interesting to you, because you can build the video around practically any recipe or food concept. And if you look through the list and nothing really stands out, no problem. Just ask ChatGPT to generate more dish ideas, and it can give you an entirely new set of options to work with. For this tutorial, though, I'm going with option number 1. So, I'll select that one, and we can move on to the next step. So, I'm going to take the dish idea I selected, copy it, paste it directly into the ChatGPT chat box, and hit send. Now, ChatGPT will take that idea and move us to the next part of the workflow by asking us to choose the aspect ratio for the video. If you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other vertical platform, you can simply type vertical. But if you're creating a wider, cinematic video, just choose horizontal. For this tutorial, I'm going with horizontal, since I want to create a longer form version, so I'll type that in and hit send. And now, look at what ChatGPT generates. Instead of giving us one basic prompt, it creates 3 highly detailed video prompts specifically designed for this anime cooking and ASMR-style format. These prompts are packed with details about the scene, the character, the cooking action, the camera movement, the food, and all those little visual elements that help make the final video feel much more polished. Now, you might be looking at this and thinking, wait, where are the image prompts? Don't worry, we're getting to that. In fact, this is where the workflow gets really interesting, because we're going to use these prompts to build the actual scenes for our video. Now, take the first video prompt ChatGPT generated and copy it exactly as it is. Next, open up Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to the video generation mode and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. For the video model, I'm going with OmniFlash. Now, paste that first video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Give it a little moment to process, and within about a minute, your first clip should be ready. And boom, there's our first scene. Take a look at this. The character, the food, the movement, the overall anime aesthetic, it looks seriously good, and honestly, this came out even better than I was expecting. But now, here's the really important part. If you want all 3 clips to feel like they're part of one continuous video, you can't just generate each scene independently and throw them together. You need to connect them properly, and this simple trick is what makes that possible. Go to the very last frame of your first clip and select Save Frame. This gives us a still image of exactly how the first scene ends. Now, head back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt it generated for you. Then return to Google Flow, select the frame image you just saved, and choose the option to animate that image. Paste your second video prompt into the prompt box and hit Generate again. Because we're starting the second clip from the final frame of the first one, the transition can feel much more natural instead of looking like we suddenly jumped into a completely different scene. Once the second clip is finished, we're going to repeat the exact same process one more time. Take the last frame of the second clip, save it, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the third video prompt. Head back into Google Flow, upload or select that second saved frame, choose Animate, paste in the third prompt, and generate your final clip. And that's basically it. Once all three clips are generated, download each one in the highest resolution available. Then bring them into your favorite video editor, whether that's CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or whatever you normally use, and place the three clips together in the correct order. Add your sound effects, music, or any final touches you want, and just like that, you've got your 30-second anime cooking ASMR video ready to publish. So, that's the entire workflow from start to finish. That means you can repeat this process with different characters, different recipes, different scenes, and completely different anime styles. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to AI Pipeline so you don't miss the next big AI trend. And if you have any questions, run into an issue, or get stuck at any point in the process, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. That's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.